Imagine waiting 4 long years to play your favorite game on your iOS device again. Well, the wait is finally over. Fortnite is back on Apple platforms in the EU, and we're here to show you how to get it. After a lengthy legal battle with Apple over the App Store's 30% revenue cut, Epic Games has triumphantly relaunched Fortnite. Apple's recent changes to app distribution in the EU have paved the way for this comeback. To get started, you'll need a paid Apple developer account, which costs $99/year. While there might be other methods, we'll focus on the official route to ensure a smooth experience. First, you need to find a decrypted IPA file. These files are archives of iOS apps and are usually encrypted. You can find decrypted IPAs online, but make sure they are compatible with your device. Next, set up a custom bundle ID using your Apple developer account. This step is crucial for the installation process. Log in, navigate to identifiers, and create a new app ID with the necessary capabilities. Enable extended virtual addressing and increased memory limit in the capabilities list. Missing these steps could cause your app to crash on launch, so don't skip them. Now it's time to sideload Fortnite onto your iOS device. Use a tool like Sideloadly, which allows you to modify the bundle ID easily. Connect your device to your computer and log into your Apple developer account. Drag the decrypted IPA into Sideloadly, deselect Use Automatic Bundle ID, and enter the custom bundle ID you created earlier. This ensures the app installs correctly on your device. Hit Start, select your team ID if prompted, and let the installation process begin. It might take a few minutes, but soon you'll be able to open Fortnite on your iOS device. And there you have it! Fortnite running smoothly at 120 FPS on your iOS device. It's been a long wait, but the game is finally back. Ready to jump back into the action? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy gaming!